Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Partners' decisions. Every partner has a right to be consulted and express his opinion in all matters relating to the business of the firm. Every important matter is to be decided as per consensus of the partners. Majority consent. If difference of opinion arising amongst the partners on an ordinary matter shall be resolved by majority of partners. Unanimous consent. In case of fundamental issues as follows, unanimous consent is required. Such decision cannot be implemented even a single partner objects to it. Change in nature of business. Matters relating to change in business, that is, change in the nature of business carried on by the firm, or alteration of agreed business, or addition of a new business. Restrictions on implied authority of a partner. Imposition of restrictions on implied authority of a partner. Admitting a minor to the benefits of partnership. A minor can be admitted to the benefits of partnership with the consent of all the partners of the firm. Admission of a partner. A new partner can be admitted only with the consent of all existing partners. A new partner can also be admitted in accordance with an express agreement entered into between the partners. Change in profit sharing ratio. The profit sharing ratio of partners can be changed only with the consent of all the parties. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.